523, render.com, Node.js Server, part 3, we have deployed. Environment detection section. Down here, we've added some tags to find the Are We in Google App Engine section, because this code for detecting if we're in Google App Engine is going to be pretty much the same as the code for detecting if we're in render.com. First of all, we have to be in a Node.js environment. Then we're going to look at process.env, right? Process object is only available if we're in a Node.js environment. And we're going to check for these variables. If any one of these render.com specific environment variables exist, then we're going to say that yes, we are in render.com. And we're going to give this a truthy value. Now, the not render.com is just the inverse. So 1 minus yes rend. Now, this is very hackish math because we're mixing integers and booleans, but oh well, the code works. We'll address that far in the future. In our server functions here, in the server functions section, a server, we have added some changes here. In this inside the ice cream machine section, here's our private executor function for function a server get self aim. This is the function that serves the atomic IV MMO.js file and also pre-processes it. So we stacked on this yesRender.com variable right here. And we're just doing this thing that says, can we get via the file system? Yes, we can. So this is just saying that if we're on render.com, we can access files on our actual server deployment. Do you have amnesia? So this is our look before you leap function, has web root. We've stacked on yes render. So basically, Heroku, Google, and render.com are all supported for being able to give us back a web root URL. Okay, then down here is our get web root function, and we've stacked on the yesRender.com, and it's very easy, right? If we have this external URL variable, the web root is just equal to this render external URL. Otherwise, we're going to set it to a trap value of WTF.com. Okay, down here, what we did previously, footnotes, and what we did in this video. If you want a longer explanation, you will have to go here. You are on the advanced playlist here. The source code is here, and you can email me here. And to deploy, we have some notes about deploying, but we've already kind of gone over this before, but you can go to this URL here for that. So like, subscribe, send money in the mail. I'm Kanji Coder, working on Atomic IV MMO.